Welcome back, everybody. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips, and I'm dressed for rainy weather. I feel like I'm getting on the bus for school. I'm going on a field trip, just like I did when I was a kid. I'm going to a custom cabinet shop and pick up some killer little doors that I had all custom made for my locker. You know, I needed 6 flat panel doors, and so I called up Polly's Cabinet in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Now, they were established in 1989. What a great place. I can't wait to show you the inside of it. It's gorgeous. The best tools, the best people. So let's go on our little field trip. Come on, let's go. Oh, I just can't wait to get to Polly's. This is gonna be a blast. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm telling you, here in North Carolina. So let's get going. I just can't wait. Morning's starting out pretty rough. I'm here at the cabinet shop, and it's Polly's Cabinet and Millwork. So we've got a nice little shop here, and they did my doors for my lockers. We're here in the cabinet shop, and Katie's taking me back to get the doors. What a cabinet shop this is. North Carolina's finest. Look at this beautiful place. Wow, and they just make beautiful stuff. Look at that door. That's going overseas. Some island, I guess. All right, look at this. So what they did is they copied the original door and they made square ones out of the sides. So that looks just beautiful. So they made the door and they cut this in for the hinges and put in the little grommets. Look at how cool that is. Really great. They're actually better than the original doors. I'm telling you, that's spectacular. This is Jeff. He's in his world. Look at this. This is his shop. So he made me those beautiful doors. And oh, look at the gorgeous stuff here. I mean, I'm telling you, this is North Carolina's finest. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Great shop. He's got all the really super tools. And you're gonna not find a better company. Look at this table saw. Sliding table saw, I think they call this. What a beautiful shop. What a gorgeous shop. Thank you, Jeff. Hey, everybody. So I'm with Clay, the chief operating officer, yeah. Officer here at, what's the name of your company?
Polly Cabinets.
Polly Cabinets.
Yes, sir.
So guess what? Clay, I talked to him on the phone, and he is the guy that said we can do it. And boy, did they do a nice job. So how long have you been in business, Clay?
We've been officially in business for about 12 years, but Jeff, the owner's been doing this for about 30 plus years.
Oh, this is cool.
Yep.
And so you don't turn down any jobs with this type of shop.
We try not to.
Yeah,
Yep.
I see that. This is a beautiful shop. So you have all the super planers and all that great stuff. So who do you mainly work for?
We do a lot of commercial work for a lot of hospitals, a lot of universities in the area, namely Wake Forest University, Atrium Health, even done work for the U.S. military, so it's been really cool.
Oh, that's cool. So I am really glad to have you make these doors for me, and
Yes,
I
sir.
really appreciate it.
Yes, sir, it was a pleasure.
Thank you so much, Clay.
Absolutely.
All right, buddy. So we're here at Polly's Cabinets, and Clay, what do you think, Clay? You'd make them doors right for me? What do you think?
Sir. Yes, sir. It was a pleasure doing it.
Oh, this is wonderful. So thank you, Clay. Thank you. Hey, everybody. So we're here with Jeff now, the owner of Polly's Cabinets.
Yep.
So, Jeff, tell me, what you specialize in, because this is North Carolina. This is the best cabinet shop in North Carolina. So tell me.
We specialize in custom cabinetry, both commercial and residential.
Cool.
So hospitals, universities, restaurants.
Oh, I bet you you're proud.
Just about anything
proud
you can think of. Yeah.
So in the hospitals, do you do like the new wings in the hospitals?
Yeah, we do the new wings, patient rooms, the nurse stations. We pretty much do it all.
So you make it right here in this shop?
Make it right here.
Oh,
I can't
hardly believe it.
And that table saw over there.
So what brand is that bad boy?
That's a SCM.
It is gorgeous.
Yeah,
so they call that a sliding
table saw.
That's the best in the world. Yeah. The best, okay, right here.
Yeah.
And Polly Cabinets made this beautiful, beautiful door, right? 10 of them for me, and Jeff spearheaded the whole thing. So thank you, Jeff.
You're very
welcome. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
This is going to be all over my channel, your doors.
That's fantastic.
So thank you, buddy.
You're very welcome.
So you got anything to add to this whole video? Good stuff?
I'm excited to be on your video.
Oh, I'm excited to have you. Thank you, buddy.
I
We're going to have a blast, okay?
Okay.
Hey, so stay tuned. I made it back in one piece. And the doors are beautiful. So this was the other door. Don't need that big cutout. Too bad, really. Why don't they sell the door, lockers.com, without the cutout? Sad. But, you know, it wasn't too painful. Here's the beautiful doors. Look at, they're all nicely wrapped so they don't roll around in your truck. And he's got them marked. And the layout, believe it or not, was not exactly perfect. So Jeff called me, the owner, and said, hey, you know, the top hinge is 3 and the bottom one from the bottom is 3 1/4. I said, well, isn't that crazy? You think they just centered this stuff up? I don't know why they do these things. Big company, though, lockers.com. So anyway, aren't these gorgeous? Look at the banding. Let's get a close look. Here's the doors, close up. Now, this was the old one with that huge cutout. And here's all the new ones that Polly's Cabinets did a beautiful job. Look at this nice job. Nice and clean, too. I'm liking this stuff. Yeah, beautiful edges. Wow, you don't get much better than this. It could have been so bad. So, Polly's to the rescue. Look at that nice setup. That is very hard to do. You have to have a jig, special jig, just to do all this stuff. So I don't suggest you attempt it yourself. It's too hard. These were big sheets they were all laminated though. You know, they were the side. Each side of the locker, I just had it cut up. And I'm thinking he did a beautiful job. Thank you so much. Almost forgot the best part, the bill. So here's a breakdown. So you had Clay and Jeff work on it. And Jeff is the owner, and Clay is such a great guy. One of the many great people down there. And let's see what it cost. So you got his hourly rate, and then $70 for the laminate. Basically a giveaway. He cut it and gave it to me. Thank you, Jeff. You're cool. Thank you so much, buddy. So there it is. There's his address. If you guys need a super great cabinet company for all your locks that you've made mistakes and you need new cabinets cut, this is your man. So you locksmiths, you know how you can drill the wrong hole? Oh, it never happens, does it? Oh, yes, it does. You just have Polly's fix it for you, and you will be happy the moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. Oh, let's see. Oh, I think it, oh, it fits like a glove. How wonderful. Boy, these guys know what they're doing. Let's put in some screws. Let's just see how great this fits. Yeah, so it works perfect. Let's see if it closes. Oh, that's great. I like the square. Don't you like the square better than the round? I never liked this Euro stuff. I like this square tops, square edges. That is cool. And he even gave me little rubber grommets so that it fits like a glove. It's perfect. Thank you, Jeff. Polly's Cabinets to the rescue. How wonderful. Now I can put my cabinet locks anywhere I want on this door. This is standard 3/4 inch, all nicely banded, and you can easily put a lock anywhere you want. Not like this one. I'm going to keep this because I still can install electronic lock here. You know, if you don't want to, you know, have every lock on the planet and you just want to use the like the Tritech lock, easily goes right here. You know, the regular cam type, and it will engage even with this latch strike, which is so nice. Thank you so much. Love it. I also wanted to show you the sides. So he basically gave me this beautiful Formica. He cut it to size. I'm going to glue it right on the edge. And I like it better than having a big old 3/4 inch on the side. You know why? Makes my locker lighter so I can move it around in the shop. Great stuff. I'll glue that on with 3M 90. It'll be easy contact cement. I'm hoping you enjoyed this little outing today. I got to show you a killer shop, and it's in North Carolina, and I'm so glad I had all these doors made. This is going to really be fun. I get to show you all the cool locks installed. That's why I did it. So please subscribe to my channel. Will you ring that bell? Tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this in the future. And stay tuned to the blooper at the end. What a mess. Anyway, love these doors. And the cool thing, guys, is that I get to put on electronic cabinet locks to my heart's content. So please stay tuned and tell your friends, ring that bell, and I'll have more door and lock tips coming your way. Thank you, guys. Now I can apply electronic locks on lockers to my heart's content. Isn't this wonderful? Great new doors, and any electronic lock can be used. I am so very happy. We're here at Poly Cabinets, and Clay just finished the beautiful doors. Hooray, Clay! Thank you so much. Wow, what a shop. What do you say, Clay?
How's it going? How's it going?
Thank you, buddy. Now I can cut beginning, ends,
Right.
all that stuff. Okay, this is my problem right now. Oh, I'm glad them guys do this for a living. Oh. Oh, I'm glad these guys do it for a living, not me. Hey, drop it on the ground, rolls 40 feet away. I think I'll have this on a blooper in the end. Bloopers are good. Don't leave so fast. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more door and lock tips coming your way. Thank you so much. Great stuff.